Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram repost options not showing. So as you can see here, for me there is this option here for a repost. I can easily do that. What I did to fix this problem, because earlier in this day I didn't have this option. So what you need to do here is to go to settings. I'm using iPhone, so for me the settings will be different if you're using Android, but the process will be pretty much similar. Okay, you just need to go to general, then you need to go to iPhone storage, then you should see a Instagram icon here. Press on it, press offload app, and wait for a couple of seconds. It usually takes, as you can see here, it's very fast. Then press reinstall app and wait until reinstall process is done. It usually takes around 10 seconds, right? And then you just need to go back to Instagram app, and then repost should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.